Sell your house fast in Irving, Texas. Cash house buyers. USA can help. Selling a house in Irving, Texas doesn't have to take months, and it definitely doesn't have to be stressful. If you're dealing with a difficult property situation, maybe repairs you can't afford, an inherited home, or even the pressure of foreclosure, you might be wondering if there's a faster way to sell. The good news is, there is. At Cash House Buyers USA, we work with homeowners across Irving and the Dallas-Fort Worth area who want a simple, fast, and reliable home sale. Instead of listing your house with an agent, waiting for buyers, and paying commissions, we buy houses directly for cash. That means no repairs, no showings, no agent fees. And in many cases, you can close in as little as 10 to 14 days. Here's how the process works. Step 1. Contact us and tell us about your property in Irving. Step 2. We review the details and present you with a fair, no-obligation cash offer. Step 3. If the offer works for you, you choose the closing date that fits your schedule. Step 4. Sell the house as is, skip the repairs, and walk away with cash. Many homeowners choose this option when they're relocating, dealing with inherited property, facing financial pressure, or simply want a quicker solution than the traditional real estate market. And because we use experienced title companies and proper contracts, the process is handled safely and legally from start to finish. If you're thinking about selling your house fast in Irving, Texas, the first step is simple. Reach out to Cash House Buyers USA today for a free, no-obligation cash offer. You might be surprised just how easy selling your house can be.